Today we're going to be talking about continents, and oceans. What is a continent? It is one of the Earth's largest land masses. There are 7 continents on Earth: Australia, Africa, South America, North America, Antarctica, Asia, and Europe. What is an ocean? A major body of water. The 4 major oceans are the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Indian, and the Arctic. This is where North America is located, and you can kind of remember it because this is the United States, and that's Florida. That's how I remember it. And then South America is right underneath it, obviously. Antarctica is always at the bottom. You always can remember Asia because it's the largest, and Europe's kind of to the left of it. Africa is right underneath it. Australia is the smallest. That's pretty easy to remember. Then you have the Arctic Ocean up here, the Pacific on the left and over on the side, and then the Atlantic goes right through here through North America, and then the Indian's right there. South America. South America is the 4th largest continent. The largest country in South America is Brazil. It is the largest in size and in population. The world's largest river, the Amazon River, runs through South America. North America is the 3rd largest continent in the world. There are 24 countries that make up North America. There are more than 500 million people that live in North America. Lake Superior is the largest lake, and it is located in North America. Antarctica. Over 98% of Antarctica is covered by ice. Antarctica is the 5th largest continent in the world. Antarctica has a population of 0, but some people do visit there, a lot of researchers. The lowest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica was negative 128 degrees Fahrenheit. Australia is the smallest continent in the world. It has the lowest population density in the world, only 2 people per square kilometer. Sydney is Australia's largest city. Australia is home to the Great Barrier Reef, which is the largest reef system in the world. And now I'll hand it off to Courtney.
Next continent is Africa. Africa is the 2nd largest continent. The Nile River runs through Africa and is the largest river in the world, with a length of 4,132 miles. Africa is home to the world's largest living land animal, the African elephant, which weighs between 6 and 7 tons. Asia is the world's largest continent and the most populated continent. About 60% of the world's population lives in Asia, and the world's tallest mountain, Mount Everest, is located in Asia, and it is in the territory of China. And Asia is also home to the Dead Sea, which is the lowest place on Earth, and the Dead Sea is 8 times saltier than the oceans. Europe is the 2nd smallest continent and only covers 2% of the Earth's surface. It has 50 states, and the biggest of the states is Russia. And Europe is also the birthplace of Western culture. Now for the oceans. The Pacific Ocean is to the west of North and South America. It is the largest of the Earth's oceanic divisions, and it takes up about 1/3 of the Earth's surface. The Pacific Ocean is currently shrinking due to plate tectonics. The Atlantic Ocean borders Europe, Asia, North America, and South America. It is the youngest of all the oceans, and it is the world's 2nd largest ocean. It covers about 20% of the Earth's surface, and it has a little less than 6.5 times, or it is a little less than 6.5 times the size of the United States. The Indian Ocean is between Africa, Asia, and Australia. It covers about 20% of the water on Earth's surface, and it is about 5.5 times the size of the United States. And the Arctic Ocean is the smallest of the world's oceans, and it is between Europe, Asia, and North America. It is a little less than 1.5 times the size of the United States. And we have a game now. Would anyone like to come play? All you have to do is match. We're going to hit start, and when the word comes up, just touch the area. And just pretend Antarctica's down here. Okay, ready?
Yep.
South America.
At the bottom.
Arctic Ocean. Indian Ocean.
No.
Europe.
Small.
Small
No.
side.
No. Go up. There.
Yeah. Good job.
Atlantic Ocean. North America. West Pacific. East Pacific.
Other side.
Asia.
Yeah.
And Australia. And Antarctica.